Inflammation in the joints is generally known as arthritis. Inflammation of the joints is associated with joint swelling, joint pain, and joint stiffness, difficulty in mobility, or loss of joint function. The treatment of inflammation of the joints can include medications, exercises, or even surgery. However, since prevention is always better than cure, we can take a look at the foods that can cause inflammation in the joints. 1. Tomatoes. Though commonly tomatoes are assumed to be anti-inflammatory, recent studies have shown that certain compounds in tomatoes are known to cause joint inflammation. 2. Cold drinks. The very popular aerated beverages and bottled juices are one of the majorly consumed foods that can cause inflammation because of the artificial sweeteners added to it. Fructose contained in beverages and soft drinks can raise the uric acid level in the blood, contributing to joint inflammation. 3. Sugar. Sugar in any form, natural or refined, should be completely avoided to do away with the condition of inflammation. Artificial sweeteners and sugar candies and bakery confection products need to be avoided. 4. Refined flour. Refined flour leads to the production of chemicals called cytokines in the body, which is inflammatory in nature. So white bread, pasta, and such foods processed from refined flour are to be completely avoided. 5. Fried foods. Omega-6 fatty acids contained in fried foods are responsible for joint inflammation. Fried foods are responsible for chronic inflammation. 6. Dairy products. The protein and whey content in dairy products can trigger inflammation of the joints. Dairy products are known to be most contributing factor causing inflammation. Rather opt for protein intake from plant-based foods. 7. Processed meats. Processed meats can cause inflammation of the joints. The amount of fat and calorie intake from meat can make you highly susceptible to joint inflammation. 8. Alcohol. Alcohol can trigger many diseases, including joint inflammation. Frequent and prolonged intake of alcohol can be a health hazard and can cause severe inflammation. 9. Corn oil. Corn oil and corn products can lead to joint inflammation. Corn oil contains omega-6 fatty acids, which when taken in excess have been seen to enhance inflammation. 10. MSG. This food enhancer is used for increased and flavorful taste and is added to soups, spices, cereals, and condiments. However, it turns out to be a bad choice for people suffering from joint inflammation, and it can increase the symptoms of this ailment. Well, that's about it for now. This is me, Ashish David, signing off. I'll see you in the next video.